Here I have OPPO RX17 Neo. Let me show you how to insert your Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's hold down the power key. So let's slide down to power off the device. Let me show you again. Alright, slide down to power off the device. Now let's just wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then you can remove the whole following tray by using some kind of the special eject tool or simply the paper pin. Let's just open this tray by pressing right here. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device. Let me show you. And here you can insert the micro SD card. Let me show you how to do it. Here I have micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. And let's just put this card in that position. Alright. Now let's insert the SIM card. So let me insert the SIM card into the first tray right here. And you can leave this slot empty, or you can use the second Nano SIM card. Now let's put the whole thing into your device right here and press power key until you will be able to use your phone. Now wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to check if your cards are working properly. Alright, here let's unlock the phone, and here you can find and select settings, choose here SIM card, and as you can see the device is reading one SIM card, so you can also go back, and here you can choose additional settings and storage, and here you've got information about your SD card. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.